So let's use ChatGPT to write an ebook today. Hey there, let me set a scene for you. Just like many of you, I was getting ready to take GRE. I was studying for hours every day, but I couldn't seem to memorize all those words. That's when I had an idea. Why not use ChatGPT to help us out? We will be creating interesting stories with the GRE words, which will act as a mnemonic device and help us in memorizing. Our basic outline will be to create data from ChatGPT, pre-process this data, connect our Jupyter notebook to ChatGPT, and create several prompts for story generation and their meaning generation, send and receive response from our Jupyter notebook to ChatGPT, and saving each chapter as a CSV. Let's move on to ChatGPT itself and let's see how this will work. So first I'll type a prompt here to see if ChatGPT can provide us a list of most frequent GRE word. We'll be using this list in the form of a Python list so that we can later use it in our code. So here is a sample list which we got from ChatGPT and it was more than happy to provide us. This is a sample list and we can extend it to 800 or 500 words. We will copy this list and move on to our Jupyter notebook. Here we will import that list. I have saved that list and imported here in the word list. We'll generate two standard prompts which will help us ahead. For example, for story generation, we will use like create a story with words. Here we can insert our words from the list and then we can give more engineering like bold these words, make the given word bold, story should be of 150 word. We can give the genre and other things as well. And for meaning generation, we can give a dummy statement like this should be the word, what part of a speech should be, and its meaning. So it will generate accordingly. Now, thanks to Terry, we have a library called PyChat. From PyChat, we can connect our Jupyter notebook to the ChatGPT. For doing that, all we have to do is go inside our ChatGPT account, inspect the elements, go in applications, go inside cookies and look for secure next auth session. We'll copy this value and paste it inside our session token. We will create our API using ChatGPT constructor and put session token as the parameter. Now we have our Jupyter notebook connected to ChatGPT. We'll break our prompts which we created earlier into two parts, that is story prompt before and story prompt after, so that we can insert a dynamic list of words between this. We are almost done. All we have to do now is iterate over our word list. We are using a batch of 10 over here. That is, we are generating a story with 10 words at a time. We will insert our words from the word list inside the prompt. That is a story prompt before, our dynamic word list, and story prompt after. Same thing we will do for meaning prompts as well. Meaning prompts before, then our dynamic word list, and meaning prompt after. Here we'll use API which we declared earlier to send requests to ChatGPT. We'll put a sleep time so that we don't overload the ChatGPT server and receive an error response. We are all done now. We just have to save these responses in a CSV file and in the end we will have a bunch of interesting stories. The end result is a book that's not only accurate but also interactive and funny. And if you are preparing for the GRE, this book can be a great resource to help you expand your vocabulary and improve your score. Plus, this is a great practical application of natural language processing and language models. If you are interested in such tech videos or want a free copy of our exclusive AI written vocabulary guide, join us on our Telegram group. Link in the description. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.